Hello my dear little kids, I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video we are going to cover the question answers of the chapter first, 3 questions. So let's come to comprehension check 1. So the question first is, why did the king want to know answer to 3 questions? So the answer is the king wanted to know the answers to 3 questions so that he would be a successful person in his life. Now question second, messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. Answer is to announce a reward for those who could answer to the questions. Now come to comprehension check second. Complete the following sentences by adding the appropriate parts of the sentences given in the box. So these are the kind of fill in the blanks with the right sentences and the options were given, and the sentences which are underlined, these are the answers. Many wise men answered the king's questions, but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. Second, someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men to help the king act at the right time. Third, someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable and follow it strictly. Fourth, the king requested the hermit to answer the 3 questions. Fifth, the king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound, but the bleeding would not stop. Now come to the questions of working with the text. So the first question is, why was the king advised to go to the magicians? The answer is the king was advised to go to the magicians because according to some wise men, in order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could look into the future. Now question second. In answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to king? So the answer is, in answer to the second question, people said that the king should take advice from his counselors, the priests, the doctors, and the soldiers. Now question third, what suggestions were made in answer to third question? Answer is, in answer to the third question, some said science was the most important thing for him to do, others chose fighting, and some others said religious worship. Question fourth, did the wise man win the reward? If not, why not? No, the wise man did not win the reward because none of them gave the satisfactory answers to the questions of the king. Question fifth, how did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? The king and the hermit removed the wounded man's clothing. The king washed and covered the wound with his handkerchief, but the blood would not stop flowing, so the king redressed the wound until at last the bleeding stopped. They also provided him the shelter to take rest. Now question 6. First part is, who was the bearded man? So the bearded man was the king's enemy who came there to take revenge by killing him. Now second part of question 6. Why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? So the answer is, he asked for the king's forgiveness because he came there to kill the king, but instead the king saved his life. Question 7th. The king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? The answer is, the king showed his forgiveness by sending his servants and his own doctor with the man to take care of him, and he also promised to give back the man his property. Now the last question is, what were the hermit's answers to 3 questions? Write each answer separately. Which answer do you like most and why? So the answer is, in answer to the king's first question, the hermit said that the most important time to begin something is now, that is present. It is the only time when you have power to act. In answer to the second question, the hermit explained that the most important person is the one who is with you at present. And in answer to the third question, the hermit explained that the most important thing to do in life is to do good to others. Now students, there is second part of this question. Which answer do you like most and why? So the answer of this part you have to write on your own, because in this answer you have to write about your own choice, that which answer do you like most, and you have to give the reason also. So this is your homework. So our chapter first is finished. In the next video we'll start with the chapter second. So till then, bye bye, take care.